Καλημέρα. 37 schools joined ENO program in my country. It has been so successful because we managed to connect ENO Greece with parents associations and environmental centers, so they can help ENO students in their work. Among other activities, we protect forests because we have bad experience of fires in Greece, so we will join conference and we will wait for you.